back to my channel. I'm Veronica and today I'm going to show you a lot of different things, to be honest. So the first thing I wanted to show you is a little package that I got, and I'm really excited to show you and talk about them. And I think it's going to be kind of a random video because today I'm going to show you Schönbrunn. Yes, I'm going to have a little vlog for you today and I hope you enjoy it. So first of all, I want to thank Ana Luisa jewelry brand because they sent me a few little pieces and I'm freaking in love with them, and I'm going to unpack them with you, and then I'm going to show you my outfit and talk about them because I think they're amazing. So yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, I'm kind of having you on a lot of books, so I hope it's holding. And yeah, so as I said, I wanted to show you a little package that I got from Ana Luisa, and I'm really in love with the pieces. And so the best thing about Ana Luisa actually is that they are having the planet in mind, which is really important to me, to be honest, and I think it should be important for a lot of people, to be honest. And I'm always trying to have an extra shopping bag with me, or I'm always trying to have a bottle of water with me, one that I can reuse, which is really important, to be honest. And that's what I just love about them, because they're trying to do the best for the planet, and they're using reusable boxes. They have little cotton bags where you have your jewelry in it, which is amazing. There's no plastic in this little box, which is amazing. So everything is recyclable, which is amazing, and they're using recyclable materials, as many as possible. And I do love good quality jewelry. I think jewelry should be something that is good quality and that you can use for a very long time. So classic pieces are something that, in my mind, should be something that we all have. They sent me two pieces that I'm going to show you now. You're opening it, you have this little note which says, "Thank you, Ana Luisa." And this is made from 100% recycled paper. Please continue the circle, which means when you're done with this box, recycle it. This is important because if we don't do it, it won't get recycled. So yeah, I really do think this is so damn cute with this thank you note and this little extra info. It's just amazing. I just love it. And when you have a little look inside, you have this little two pouches in here where I have my two jewelry pieces. You have a little note in here which says something good for the earth. We had a dream making jewelry that doesn't come at earth's expense, and it happened thanks to you. Breathe easy, we are carbon neutral. I have two little pouches here which says both Ana Luisa. I got two pair of earrings. I have to say, I opened it before. I was too excited and my camera didn't have enough battery. So anyways, we are opening it now and you will see my reaction, because every time I'm opening it, I'm in love. So yeah, I'm opening them and oh my god, I just love them. Okay, from both earrings, this pair is my extreme favorite. I'm wearing them for quite a while now, but I'm really in love with them. And I think when you're actually following me on Instagram, you might have seen me wearing those over and over again. I'm so obsessed with them. This is the Rachel earring and they are gold plated, which is amazing. I love them. They have a little pearl on each side and some little stones here. And I don't know why, but this earring gives me the entire Parisian vibe style, and I have to confess, I absolutely love this style. As is one of my absolute favorite style, this Parisian chic style. So yeah, the second one is a bit of a different one, something that I'm not really wearing that much. However, I wanted a bit of a bold statement earring because I'm more of a delicate person, and sometimes I'm looking at all my earrings, I'm like, I need a bit of a pow earring. So that's why they sent me this pair of earrings. They are hugging your entire ear and they look really, really statementy. But I put on the earrings and I'm going to show you a bit of a close-up right now because I think they're really pretty. They're a bit heavy than the other ones. I'm not used to wearing a bit more heavier earrings, which I don't know. It's kind of weird because I'm not really used to it, but I think this earring looks amazing. This is the Eden earring. I'm going to link you Ana Luisa jewelry down in my description box. Please check them out. They are amazing. They have so beautiful jewelry pieces that are timeless and you're actually doing something good for the planet. Let's get on with my day at Schönbrunn. So, and now I'm back home, yay! So, first of all, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was one of my first vlogs, so it really means a lot to me. So, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. One thing I wanted to say, I really hope you're checking out Ana Luisa. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for the 2 most beautiful jewelry pieces. As you can see, still wearing them. Really love them. So yeah, thank you, Ana Luisa. I'm really grateful, and go check them out. I have a little link down below for you because right now they have a 60% off sale on everything, and I think it's worth checking them out even if you're just browsing on the website because they are really amazing. So yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope I will see you guys soon. Bye!